Morning, guys. We're here checking out this military generator. Looks like it starts, but it doesn't make power. So we're going to see if we can do something with it. Maybe we can make it make power again. It's on a trailer, and it has a fuel tank. I think it's 10 kW. Looking for the model number.
Model number right here.
Yeah. MEP803A is what it is. So we'll get it home, check it out. It's got, I think, 58 hours on it. So that's hopeful. Hopefully the rats didn't chew something up. We'll check it out. We'll keep you guys posted on how it goes. Okay, we made it home with the generator. It traveled well. Tires held up. The lights were working, so that was nice. We'll have to get it running and see why it's not making power. I started it and it was kind of running rough, so maybe we need to get it to run correctly first before we try to make good power with it. So we'll keep you posted as we go. Okay, this pump is kind of loud. I think that it's probably not getting any fuel, so we may have a problem with the fuel pickup, picking up fuel. So we'll have to check that line, see if there's any obstructions. Okay, let's get this fuel line off of here. These are pretty tight. Okay. Now let's see if we're getting anything out of the fuel pump. Nothing. Let's take that off of there. Let's see what that fuel pump's doing. Not much, is it? I think it's clogged. Yeah, I think that fuel pump's clogged. Probably sucked something up. Yeah, we have fuel here. It's coming out of the tank. This fuel pump's clogged. So let's take these fittings off. That's not even the right fuel pump. But let's figure this out. And then I may pull out the auxiliary fuel pump. I don't hear it working either, but maybe we can get it working. That would be the correct fuel pump for this. Yeah, you can see the fuel tank's leaking right off the bat, so it's got fuel coming through. This fitting is good. Let's turn it off. I think we're going to see if we can get that apart. I don't know if it comes apart, but let's find out. Yeah, it's clogged. It's gummed up, like you can feel it. It's all gummy. So the fuel seized it up. Probably had old fuel in it. We actually had it running with this, but probably by pure luck. So let's see if we can clean this out. This is the stuff I like to use. It'll clear this up. Yep, it's flowing through. Watch this. Okay. Let's put some. That stuff we're using is like an acid, so you want to dilute it with something. So I'm going to dilute it with WD-40 since it's just like diesel. I think we need to clean this some more. I can see that there's still more stuff in there. Put some WD-40 in here. I don't feel like we're ready to put it back together yet. Doesn't feel like it's freed up like it should be. Yeah, we need to clean some more. Look at all that stuff's coming out of there. Okay, we're having to work that pump back and forth to free it up. It's actually seized pretty good. So then what we want to do is spray it. And then we'll work it back and forth. Doesn't come all the way out because that's swedged down. If it came out, it would be easier. Okay, we capped this off and then filled it with fluid. So let's see if we can get that cleaned out now, get that freed up. Okay, we're trying to get this you see how we're working it back and forth. Let's spray it some more. I think it's close enough we can try it. So let's put it in the pump and see if the pump will work it back and forth. Okay, let's turn that pump on and see what it does. I think it's pumping. So the flow goes this way. This goes right here. Let's put some Teflon tape on there. We got fuel now. Okay. Let's put this other fitting on here. Okay. Put the hose on. And then let's tighten this clamp. Just turn that fuel on. Oh, we got fuel up here. Let's turn that off. It's really leaking out. Okay, well, at least we know it's working. Let's turn it on some more. Let's see if it'll start now. Charge the field here. I did find a loose wire in the circuit that flashes the field, but now it's putting out power. 40, 60 hertz. Adjust the hertz adjust well. It's kind of noisy down here though. I have to see what's going on there. It might just be a bad motor mount. A couple of these wires were loose. It was this one here and this one here were loose. So I tightened those up, and there may be more loose wires in here or bad connections. Everything seems to be a little rusty. So, but for now it's working. We'll keep you posted.